how to change email in TikTok account step by step. If you want to change your email in TikTok account, it is very simple. First of all, just launch the TikTok application and make sure to log into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Then from here you can see at the top right hand side there is the three lines icon. So tap on the three lines icon there, and from the bottom you want to simply go to the option that says settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, right here you can see the option called account from the top, and from account, if you go there again at the top you can see account information. You just have to tap on it. When you tap on account information, right here you can see your current email, so I can tap on it. And if you want to change your email, you can click on change email, or what you can do is you can also click on unlink email. Now the only thing that you have to understand is that if you want to change or unlink the email, you first have to verify your current email address, or you can just click on try another method. If you do not have access to your current email, hit the try another method, and you can instead send it to a phone number or use your password to verify, and then after that you can enter the new email you want to use, and then you'll be able to change them. This way you'll be able to change your email address on TikTok. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.